Hey guys, what's up? So for this week's video, I thought I would take you guys along with me today, vlog style, and just show you guys what I end up eating in a day. If you guys don't know, I dance competitively, so that means I'm at the studio anywhere from like 3 to 5 hours every night. I thought it'd be interesting to kind of just show you guys what I end up eating on my dance days, especially since I have a very plant-based diet and I'm pretty much vegetarian. I personally love watching these videos. I love getting new food and recipe ideas for like quick easy lunch ideas that I can take to like school or take to dance for dinner. So hopefully this video gives you some ideas. So let's just get started with what I ate today. So it's 7:48 on Tuesday. In the mornings, before I even start getting ready, I always go downstairs and make myself a coffee and use this like coconut milk creamer that's really good. And I just sip that as I'm like doing my makeup and getting ready in the morning. So I wish I could tell you I actually ate breakfast, but 99% of the time I never do. So it's probably not the healthiest thing, but it's the truth. I'm not a breakfast person. It's 11:30 now and I'm home from school. If you're wondering why I'm home so early, it's because I take most of my classes online. And I just finished making lunch. I just made myself 2 of these like Mediterranean wraps. I just use these like mini flatbreads and I just spread each of them with a layer of hummus and then put on top of them some olives, cherry tomatoes, artichokes, some spinach, and just folded that in half. It is so good. I'm obsessed with it. It literally takes like 10 minutes to make. Super easy to throw in like a Tupperware container and take to like work or school. And then with my wrap, I'm just having some kombucha. And kombucha actually satisfies my soda craving for the day, which is crazy because kombucha is super healthy and good for you, unlike soda that like kills you and gives you cancer. And like, so now I don't crave soda anymore. I crave kombucha, which in my opinion is a lot healthier and better for you. I'm gonna stop talking now so I can eat my lunch because this looks so good. It's been like 2.5 hours since I ate lunch and I'm kind of in the mood for a smoothie, so I think I'm gonna go downstairs and make one. My smoothie recipe kind of changes depending on what my family has in the house in terms of fruit. But today, I just made a chocolate banana smoothie for a snack. So to make my smoothie, I just blended together a cup of almond milk, 1 full banana, 5 or so ice cubes, a little bit of agave nectar for sweetness, and then a tablespoon of cacao powder. I'm pretty sure I remembered everything that I put in here. It's a little bit later now. I'm just about ready to get ready for dance and head off to the studio. But before I did that, I thought I would come down to the kitchen and pack my dinner and just show you guys what I'm bringing and gonna be eating for dinner tonight. So since I'll be eating dinner at the studio in between my dance classes, I am bringing this instant miso ramen soup thing from Trader Joe's. It's really hard to find good noodles that aren't made with chicken broth and are vegetarian, and these are vegan, which is even better. So I'm gonna bring these, and then I also packed up some grapes, and I'm also gonna be bringing this Cliff Bar for some extra energy and carbs. So I'm just gonna quickly pack all this up, and that's pretty much it for dinner for tonight. So there you guys go. That's what I ate on a typical dance day. If you happen to like this video and you're new, hello, welcome. You should subscribe because I post new videos every week. That's all I have for you guys this week. I will see you guys next Saturday with another video.